Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make Google the default search engine in Microsoft Edge. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Microsoft Edge and then select the settings icon at the top right that says settings and more. And then go down and select settings. On the left side, you want to select Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down to Services on the right side here. And then underneath Services, you want to locate where it says Address Bar and Search. Left click on that. And where it says Search Engine Used in the Address Bar, click on the drop down, select Google. And that's all you have to do. You may want to restart your browser just to make sure the change takes effect, but that should be it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.